I'm so excited to be sharing our Chalkology paste with you guys today. Now today I used a found surface along with our Give Thanks transfer. The Chalkology paste that I am using is a shimmer frost. However, our Chalkology paste comes in a wide variety of colors including neutrals and our brand new shimmer line, which offers just a hint of glitter. You will use our Chalkology paste with absolutely everything that you do not plan on putting into your washing machine. So it is perfect for signs, it is perfect for accents, it's perfect for whiteboards and blackboards. If you want to throw it on a mirror or a window, you can feel free to do that. It does glide on. It is semi-liquid. Okay, so it glides right on using your squeegee. And after you pull that transfer, you're going to give it a few moments to dry, and then it will dry hard matte. So you can go ahead and rub your fingers over it and it will not budge until you apply extra water. Our pastes are the perfect component to any chalk project. Each paste lasts up to 6 months. However, I use my paste way before it dries out. If your paste does end up drying out on you, just feel free to put a little bit of distilled water in it and it'll bring it right back to life. You'll see here that I moved that paste right through that silk screen with the squeegee, and then I pulled it up and it gives us a crisp, clean design every single time. I hope you guys enjoyed this demo on our paste. Make sure to go over and give them a look. Have a great one, guys.